addition and subtraction. Addition of big number. The operation to find the total of different values is called addition.
Rule of addition is simple. First, we add ones, then tens, then hundreds, then thousands, and so on for more digits.
Solve mentally. Let's see some facts about addition. Addition of small number can be done horizontally. Add ones and take carry mentally on tens. Addition of large numbers done vertically, written under the place value chart. 0 added to the number does not change the value of the number. 1 added to the number gives the successor of the number as a sum. The number or value being added are called addends and answer is called sum. 265 and 134 are addends and 399 is the sum. Changing the order of the addends in an addition sum does not change the answer. Now change in sum. Let's see for big number. There is no change in answer, so ordering doesn't matter in addition. We take any number first for our convenience. While adding more than two numbers, we can group any two numbers first. If does not change the sum. Always add the numbers in bracket first. Now see the grouping by another way. Answer will remain same only. This is all about the facts of addition. Subtraction of big numbers. The operation of finding the difference between two values is called subtraction.
Rule of subtraction is: first we subtract ones, then tens, then 100 and so on.
So you all understand about the subtraction. Now we will discuss about the facts of subtraction. Subtraction with small numbers can be worked out horizontally. Subtract ones first. Take borrow from tens mentally. Then subtract tens. Subtraction with large numbers is worked out vertically placed in place value chart. 0 subtracted from a number does not change the value of the numbers. 1 subtracted from a number gives the predecessor of the number as difference. The number from which the other number is to be subtracted is called minute, and the number subtracted is called subtrahend, and the answer is called difference. 6292 is called minute. 4161 is called subtrahend, and 2131 is called difference. So children, you understand about the facts of subtraction and addition. Estimating sum or difference. Estimated sum or difference is not the actual sum or difference, but round off number of big numbers. Rule: to estimate a sum or difference, first round each number to its greatest place value, then add or subtract mentally. Let's understand with one example. Mr. Jain owns a bakery. He has 49 pastries on display and 33 pastries inside. He wants to estimate how many pastries does he have in stock. Estimated number of 49 is 50 and 33 is 30. So estimated sum is 80. This is not the actual sum. So now you understand about the addition and subtraction. Keep trying with other numbers also. I will meet you with another interesting topic. Bye.